Guys, today for the Bitcoin price, one massive pattern just caught my eye, guys. This is absolutely crazy. It's one of the biggest patterns we have made in the last few weeks, and this could finally decide where we're going. Because yes, guys, we are actually still, of course, trading quite sideways. When I'm making this video right now, we can see that we're dumping a little bit, but overall we are still trading within the same trend we have right here, of course. We can clearly see we are still in the same trend we are in, basically all the way from the start of August. 18th of August was when we entered this trend, and right now, almost the 27th of September, we're still trading in the same boring range. And yes, guys, this range is literally only 3%, and we can see that most of the time in this 1.5 month we have been trading in this range, which is crazy. Which means that if you're watching this video, you are believing in Bitcoin. Even when the times are boring, you want to still learn, still trade, just still be in this space, in the crypto space, which is really good. So I really appreciate you watching, and it's really good that you're still watching, even though Bitcoin has been a little boring. Everyone knows that right now, and by now it's just really boring, nothing we can do. But yes, guys, let me show you guys this pattern we are currently creating, because this could finally get some spice into the markets again. It's this chart right here. What is this chart? Well, this is called a falling wedge. Over on the 4-hour chart, we can see that this is a clear falling wedge. We have been touching this upper line a lot and this bottom line now twice. So it will make a lot of sense that if we come back down to this white line from off that level, we are going to send absolutely crazy. Because if you don't know, a falling wedge is a typical bullish scenario pattern about 80% of the time, and falling wedge tend to break to the upside, of course, which is really good for Bitcoin and really good overall. Because if we get a breakout, then you can simply take it like this. If we take the breakout to the breakout point, we can see that we could go all the way back up, all the way to $27,500 within no time if we simply break out. And this then also will finally get us out of the downtrend we have been creating, of course, because we also know by now that we are creating a massive downtrend. So let me quickly show you guys this. We can see we have been making lower lows each time, and it seems like right now that we might create a lower low. However, that's weird because we're getting a bullish pattern. Well, that is because only this pattern can save us. Like I said, 20% chance that we don't break to the upside. If we break to the downside, then you need to watch my video from yesterday, because I told you guys exactly what the targets are. However, if we break to the upside, then that will make a lot of sense, because we are also right now creating this symmetrical triangle. All Bitcoin right now has to do is bounce from off this white line, meaning we create a bullish symmetrical triangle, or at least a higher high right here, which is really bullish, and then combined with our other pattern, of course, could send Bitcoin sky high, of course, again. And do remember that this is on the 1-day time frame, which is even higher, which means that if we break out of this symmetrical triangle, or if we do decide to create it, that will send Bitcoin all the way to $30,800, which is of course crazy, and that will finally send some spice back into the markets. So that's going to be absolutely crazy if that happens. Right now, all eyes are on this white line right here, and of course on this line right here. If we break it, we are completely fucked. I'm going to be honest with you, if we break it, we are fucked, and Bitcoin is probably going to 20k. If we don't break it, then there's a really big chance that Bitcoin is going to finally start turning bullish again. It will mean a higher high, and that could be a really good trading opportunity for you and for me, of course. So, if you're watching this video right now, you think, well, how do I start trading? Or I want to start trading, I just don't know which platform to use. Then you can go to the first link in the description. Because if you right now support me by going to the first link in the description, signing up for a Bybit account using my link, then you're trading on the same platform I do, which means you can completely copy my trades completely for free. Plus, if you sign up using my special link, you will get $30,000 in free rewards, of course, up to $30,000 in free rewards. And you will also get 25% of all your trading fees forever. So that's a lot more trading for you, which means you're a lot more profitable. Of course, $30,000 in the puzzle bonuses completely for free up to $30,000. It's crazy. Go to the first link in the description right now. It's a really good deal. So yeah, for now, I actually wanted to make this video a few hours later because then we could actually see if this white line is going to hold, and then we can of course determine the direction of Bitcoin a bit more. Unfortunately, I won't be able to make the video later today, so I was going to make it right now. Unfortunately, right now we are just in a waiting position. We need to wait potentially one more 4-hour candle, because if we get one more 4-hour candles like this, then we could potentially see if we're going to hold it or not. So 1 or 2 more 4-hour candles and we are going to decide the trajectory of the next couple of potentially weeks for Bitcoin, and if we're going to see an absolute bloodbath or an absolute massive pump and everything's going to be crazy green and everyone's going to make a lot of money. So yeah, that is currently what we're waiting for. What you want to do is go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bybit account, and like this video, subscribe to my channel. It does really help me out. Guys, YouTube is not pushing crypto videos as much right now. So go right now under this video, like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you exactly know what is going to happen for Bitcoin every single day and what my trades are. So that being said, guys, I hope I will see you in my next crypto video once something absolutely big is going to happen.